Hello guys, good morning. So now we are going to prepare our gelatin salad. So this gelatin guys is a kind of protein and antioxidant that may help to promote our skin, joint, our hair, nails, and gut health. It also protects cells of the body and as well as this is used for weight loss and for treating osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and osteoporosis. So this is the trivia about the gelatin guys. So it's very helpful and it's very useful to our body, and yet this is very healthy. So for me as a Filipina, we used to make this as our dessert or salad. So here we go, and this is ready. I cut into small cubes. So I have here two colors only. This is the Boko Pandan. So I cut them into small cubes and I put them into the deep bowl. So I have here the condensed milk, and we can add also the cream, full cream, so that the combination will be so delicious and tasty. Ito na nga guys, no, ayan na siya, nakahiwa na sila lahat at paghaluin na lang natin sila. Mas maganda kasi ang kulay na Boko Pandan. Tinalo niya yung yelo. Mabilis lang siya ihanda at saka yung affordable kasi bibili ka lang ng sachet na mga gelatin. Ayan na ang gatas natin. Condensed milk. Ibuhos na natin. Saka isunod natin yung cream. Ayan. Depende na lang din yan sa inyo kung gusto nyo ba talagang yung super cream. Pero ito talaga super creamy siya kasi binuhos ko lahat ng isang gatas. Ayan na siya. Pwede na rin naman itong kainin kaso lang mas masarap siya kapag nalagay natin sa fridge. Halo lang tayo ng halo. Ayan. And thank you for watching guys. Have a nice day.